My name is Alice Stori Liechtenstein, and today I'd like to welcome you at Schloss Hollenegg. This year we're presenting Walden, a design exhibition that takes place in the historical rooms of the castle. The theme of the exhibition should make us reflect on our dysfunctional relationship with nature. Like Thoreau before us, we should really go back to nature and try and immerse ourselves into it. We have to accept we're not the masters of the earth, that we're only a very small part of a very complex ecosystem. We also have to accept that nature is not an idyllic garden that we have to tame, nor do we have to thoughtlessly use the resources for our own benefit. We have to accept the fact that nature can be dangerous and unpredictable, and this wilder aspect is what we need to embrace. It's not a question of choosing between technology and the environment, or the city and the countryside, or the natural and the artificial, the inside and the outside. All these different elements can coexist, and we should take the best out of each one of them. The projects that we are presenting here today are extremely diverse, and that just goes to show what a wide and complex theme this one is. But they do have all one thing in common, which is to try and bring a little bit of wilderness into our everyday life.